Hello everyone. I am here in Wachusett Reservoir, but it's a different side. This is my first time here. All right, I am here on top. Wow, look at that. Beautiful. Oops. Kind of slope down. Be careful. Oh, look at the view. So amazing. I am here on top point. See the view. So it's kind of cloudy. Whoa. All right, I'm going down. I'm going to the lake. Oh, look at that. So pretty. So this is the lake continue to Wachusett Reservoir. No swimming. Nice, fresh, cool. Right here, I can hear the breeze in the air.